How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 67 RS Camaro. This is a true RS. It's done in slick Tuxedo Black. Gorgeous car. They did the SS hood. That was added to the RS. See the grill and headlight doors, everything are in real good condition. The front bumper's been re-chromed. Got chin spoiler on it. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice black vinyl top on it. Excellent condition. All the lower rocker trim is really nice. It's got a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. See, they've added the rear spoiler as well to go with the SS hood. Taillight housings have been replaced. Rear bumper's been redone. All the panel fitment's real nice on the car. Car's really straight down the sides. This car was restored several years back. Previous owner owned it for a long time. It's a factory AC. It's all hooked up, works. It's got power brakes, power steering. It is the numbers match. 275 horse, 327. It's got the heavy duty radiator in it. Got a set of headers and duals. So all the jams look good. Interior's real nice. It's even got a rear tilt wheel. AM/FM cassette stereo that works. The headliner looks really nice. And it's got the deluxe seat covers, front and rear seat belts, original center console. It's a really cool car. Got an amp for the stereo. All inside the trunk's very nice in the car. It's original spare and jack. They got a quad set of gauges there under the dash. And fire the thing up. Horn work. Tell you, this is just a super nice little car. Backup lights and everything work on it. So it's just a very nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have Have a great day, folks.